So today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get free money. Yes, free money. No affiliate marketing, no selling, no CPA marketing, no freelancing, no surveys, no anything like that. So even if you're absolute beginner, you've never done anything like this in your life, you can make money online with this method. So with that being said, let's start. Let me first show you potential of the website we are going to use. When you go on SimilarWeb, here you will see that last month this website got 182 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries. So website we are going to use is called Imgur. Now Imgur is what internet is. Here you can find funny, interesting, amazing, even gross images and videos from all over the world and from all over the internet. So what you need to do, you need to click here, you need to register for a free account. But how do we actually make money with Imgur? So what you need to do, you actually need to go on Instagram and you need to find big meme pages, dog pages, amazing pages, interesting pages, pages about beautiful nature and stuff like that. Just like this one here. Here you can see this is a meme page and it has 22.5 million followers. So what you need to do, you actually need to click here on Reels and you need to find videos that are going viral. Here you can see how many views each of these videos got. So like I said, just scroll through these videos until you find one that actually looks interesting and that went viral. For example, this one here got 13 million views. This is why you should never bite your nails. So I need to click here and I actually need to take a screenshot of this video. And then I need to go here and I need to paste that here in Paint. Simply paste that here and I need to click here and I need to actually click here and then click here. So I need to crop this, okay, because I don't need the rest of this image like this, okay, and then simply click here on crop and that's it. Click here on X and save this image. So I just save, for example, nails, okay, and save that image here and that's it. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to go on a website called short.st. Now this is a URL shortener, but these guys will actually pay you to shorten your URLs. So how this works? Well, these guys will pay you when someone click on your link, they will show an ad before they redirect them to your link. And basically you will make money every time someone click on your shortened link. So obviously first thing you need to do, you need to click here on join and you need to register for a free account. Just add your email, confirm your email, add your password, click here to confirm to agree to the terms of condition, confirm that you are not robot, click here on register, confirm your email and you will register for a free account. And after you register, you will come to your dashboard and this is how your dashboard looks. Is now you actually need to start making money. So what you need to do, you need to go back on your Instagram page, click here and then copy the link to this Instagram video, okay? And go back here on short.st, paste that link here, click here, shorten, and now you shorten this link. So every time someone click here on this link here, you will make money. So just click here on copy and just paste that in Notepad because you're going to need that link later, okay? So I will just paste that here. And now what you need to do, you actually need to go back here on Imgur and you need to click here on your account. You need to scroll back here on the top. So let me just scroll back here. Click here on new post. And you need to click here on choose a photo and video. And let me just find the photo that I created. This is the photo. Give it a minute. And now you need to add a catchy title. So I already copied this, and I will say this. Wait for it, okay? I'm creating suspension so they can see here, this is why you should never bite your nails. And here in the title, they see, wait for it. So why you shouldn't never bite your nails, okay? And here in the description, I actually need to copy this, okay? Copy this and I need to paste that here. Click this link to see why. So now when someone click on this link, they will be showing ad first. And then they will be automatically redirected to this video here where they can see why they should never bite their nails. Okay, and you just go back here and here you need to add tags. So you can say something, for example, nails, okay, nail salon or funny or gross and stuff like that. Just add 3 or 4 tags related to your image, and then all you have to do is just click here on community and click here on publish, post publicly, and you will publish this post on Imgur. And like I said, this post have potential to go viral, because like I said, this is why you should never bite your nails. Many people bite their nails, and here you can see, wait for it. So it is probably something gross, right? And everybody knows that, but they don't know exactly what. So they will click here on this link in order to watch this video. Now, as we saw, Imgur is getting 182 million visits per month, as we can see here. So Imgur will drive some traffic to your image. But what you should do, you should also start promoting your image wherever you can. On your Instagram page, on Facebook, on Reddit, on Twitter, on Tumblr, or wherever you can, to drive as much traffic as you can to this image. But here is the thing. Now, this website will not pay you that much for every click. You will probably earn just a few pennies, which means you need to get lots and lots and lots of clicks on your shortened links in order to make a decent money. And that means that you should start uploading images like this and videos like this every day on Imgur. And like I said, you can easily find these videos and these images on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter, and page and websites like that. And all you have to do is just create a screenshot, go back here on Imgur, upload it, add a catchy title, and simply here in the description, add a catchy description and add a link, your shortened link, short.st link in the description, and upload those every day. And when you upload 100, 200, 300, 500 images like this, trust me, you will start getting thousands and thousands of clicks every month on your shortened links, and you will start making free money every day. Even if you are absolute beginner, literally only this method requires is some time and some work, and you will make money online as a beginner in 2023.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.